Alright, so every time someone starts to put up this information and says, okay, we don't know how the pyramids were made. Well, we don't know how the pyramids were made because we don't know which one of the several different methods could have been used. We know how the pyramids were made based on it was one of these 6 or 7 options. We can't say exactly how it was made, but we can say within reasonable doubt, enough reasonable doubt that we can, could do a trial properly and say, okay, it's one of these ways. We know how they were made. We know how every single one of these pyramids were made. We can be able to logic out the idea that, yep, they were made. Well, it would have taken hundreds of thousands of man-hours to do these things. It's impossible. No, it's religion. Let me very clearly explain this. Every time someone says, well, aliens must have done it about a historical event, my response is, you're a jerk. You're a horrible person. Because what you've just said is, humans don't have enough intelligence, passion, ability, functionality, charisma, and thought processes. Nothing's good enough about humanity, from physical to mental to emotional. None of it's good enough because aliens had to have done it. No. Humans are good enough to do these things. Now, they couldn't have done it in a normal way, but this isn't normal. Pyramids were built by religious people. It wasn't the king doing it, it was the God King requesting it. Don't make this an assumption, well, no rational man would have done that. It's not a rational man. It's a man thinking, my God wants me to do this. Yes, there's rationality in that. No, I'm not discounting the rational, intelligent man who does believe in God, and there are many. There's many on both sides of that. But what I'm saying is, remember that the passion and charisma and all of these things that come with religion means that people do things that are not normal, that are beyond capacities of normal people, especially when it comes to the man-hours that they're willing to put in, and the amount of effort they're willing to put in, and the amount of close to death that they're willing to go to get things accomplished. Oh, well, they would have killed this guy. Maybe he would have been okay with that. Being able to be okay with death because of religion is very, very normal. It's one of the most common things about religion, is you're willing to die for it. That's how we get all sorts of terrible things to happen, but glorious things happen too. All of the great things that happen in religion are the antithesis of the horrible thing that happens in religion for the exact same core reason. Passion. Religion inspires passion, and passion creates action. Now, whether that is good or bad, that's not the point. The point is, it does happen. So stop telling me that it's the aliens that did it. I'm not saying that aliens didn't visit Earth. Possible. I have no proof of this, but it's possible. They would, if it's an alien race that crossed the galaxy and showed up here and left no proof, which is what they've done so far, that we can actually validate. Okay, you've left absolutely no proof. You've just made us feel terrible about ourselves if we believe that. Okay. If we believe that aliens came to Earth, humans are worthless. Which we're not. We can prove that now. So since humans aren't really any different now than they were 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, however many thousands of years ago that any particular item was built, no, it was humans. Humans did it. Humans did it well. Humans did it fantastically, passionately. And so whenever you see that, it's an affront to your own humanity, and you're really just falling into that idea that says, well, we're not good enough to have done that. Maybe you're not, but somebody is.